What's up everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today we're going to be doing an interior and an exterior mod. So the exterior mod, it's going to be side mirrors. I finally got some from APR and supposedly they're really small. So we'll see how that goes. And the interior mod, it's going to be the LED interior. That's not even working, so gonna change it to that, but I bought bulbs for the whole car, so that's gonna be replaced. And as you can see, it's already dangling right here, so that's gonna be replaced as well. And the other two spots are going to be the license plate and the trunk light. So let's get to the unboxing. All right, so these are the two boxes. Well, this one's a bag, but here's the LEDs. It came in a package through Amazon, so what's included is a bunch of bulbs and a little, I don't know what this is called, but you take out the fixtures. And here's the APR side mirror box. Ooh, packing peanuts. Alright, there's one box here. I think that should be it. Yep. Okay, now for the main box. Oh. Alright, so you get a bunch of papers. I guess it's advertising their company. Oh, and here's two stickers. I guess you put it on the side mirrors themselves. And installation procedure. We don't need that. What we're looking for is this. They're so small. Like, look at this. It's literally almost the size of my fist. Right, so I don't know if I'm gonna be able to see out of these. It's all right. Objects in mirror are closer than they appear. So I guess it's magnified, or whatever the reverse of that term is. All right. Here's the sides that connects to the car. It's metal. Other side, and some bolts. All right, so I think I'm gonna have to install this or connect these somehow. Then I'll get back to you guys. To assemble this, we're gonna have to take out this locking stud. I think they gave two extras in the box, so that's kind of confusing, but all you have to do is take the ones that are already inside out, and then you can start installing the other parts. All right, to install this, we're going to take the ball joint stud, put it in the ball side up, make sure it goes all the way in. All right, it should be like this. Then we're going to put the locking washer. Then we're going to put the locking stud. Make sure the Allen wrench side is on top. Then use the bigger Allen wrench that they include in the kit. Don't tighten it all the way because you're gonna have to adjust the side mirrors. Okay, now you can screw the side mirror on. It feels pretty fragile, but hold the base because it spins. Now it's on. So we'll install this on the car and then tighten both sides, and then tighten the top so that you could get it adjusted correctly. Now I'll do the other side. Now we have both done. Now to the car. So this is a size comparison of the two side mirrors. This one is the APR and this is the stock. The APR is tiny. Like, look at the size comparison. This is like maybe half the size. I don't know if I'll be able to see full field of vision with this mirror, but we'll see how that goes. So to start this off, we're going to be taking off the speaker. All you have to do is pull. Alright, and just be careful because there are wires behind it. And there are 3 bolts that you're going to have to take off. I have Windows visors, so it makes it a little bit tougher. I'm probably gonna have to go on the outside and then show you guys from there. All you're gonna have to do is pull. Just be careful of this if you have visors as well. Okay. And there's a wire inside that connects to it, so be sure to take that out as well. Here's the stock. The APR side mirrors are direct replacements, so you're gonna find these holes and then just line up this in the middle. Alright, and that's it. Now, these are a little different. You just screw them from the inside and you should be good. The first side mirror is installed, so I'll show you guys how it looks. It is tiny. Okay, so that is the driver's side. You could see the reflection pretty clearly. That's the side of the car. And if you're the driver, like, that's tiny, right? Yeah, look at that. Adjust the mirror before you tighten everything up so that it lines up. So when you're done installing, it should have 3 screws. 1, 2, and 3. And all you have to do is put the speaker back on and you're done. Alright, so now that we're done with the side mirrors, let's get on with the LEDs. There's going to be 1 or 2 LEDs right here. It's for your license plate, and then one's inside the trunk. So here we go. Okay, to give you guys a better angle, I'll show you guys with my GoPro. Okay, so that's the license plate, and right here there should be 2 screws. And then there should be 2 screws on this side as well. That's what I'm going to be taking out and then putting LEDs inside. Here's the LED from before. New LED. Alright, there's one more LED inside the trunk. It's right here. All you have to do is pull this out. Right, and that's the LED right there. So it's not this LED, it's the other type. This type. Okay, the one I previously had was 6 LEDs, but I guess the new one might be brighter. Seems a little brighter, right? Alright. That was probably the most simple LED install. Alright, let's go back into the interior of the car now. And now for the front dome lights. So this is a little handy tool that they included in the package. It really helps with the install. Alright, so I actually had no bulb there. That's why it wasn't working. Alright, let there be light. One side done. Alright, now the other side. Oh, this side has a lot of LEDs, but it is really weirdly wired. Huh. So this LED was probably one of the older versions. It has a lot of wires around and everything. This is the newer LED. Okay. Alright, both LEDs installed. Now for the final dome light. Right now it works, but it fell to the ground. I think it's one of the old styles. Okay, so it's right there. It's already on the base of the dome light. Okay, this one's a little bit trickier. Alright. And yeah, this is one of the old styled LEDs. So that's why it was on the floor. On the base of it, I guess. It's a lot of LEDs though. And there's the dome light. Alright, so that's the install for the LEDs. It's a very simple install, or a mod I guess, and I recommend this install because it makes your interior a lot brighter. Alright guys, so just finished installing the APR side mirrors and the LED interior. I think the LED interior is a must for any car people. I mean, actually for anyone in general, because it definitely lights up the interior of your car. And the APR side mirrors, I think I'm gonna need some time to get used to them. They're a little bit tiny, a lot of it tiny, and yeah. Our next mod is going to be right there. It's gonna be another interior mod, so that'll be in the next video. Don't forget to give me a like and a subscribe, and I'll see you guys next time. Later.